Getting your ex back through communication. Breakups are never easy, and they can be especially hard when you still have feelings for your ex. If you've tried to get back together with your ex but have been unsuccessful, it's time to use powerful communication strategies to get them back. Start by considering the reasons why your ex may be mad at you. It could be something you said or did, or it could be something that your ex perceives you said or did. If you're not sure, ask your ex directly and be prepared to listen to their response. Once you've identified the reasons why your ex is mad, apologize for your part in the breakup. Even if you don't think you're responsible for the breakup, it's important to take responsibility for your actions and to show your ex that you're willing to make amends. The next step is to create a plan to show your ex that you're serious about getting back together. This could include spending more time together, going on dates, or even just talking on the phone. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that your ex is interested in. It's also important to be patient and understanding. Your ex may be feeling hurt and vulnerable, so it's important to be supportive and understanding. Show your ex that you're willing to listen and that you care about their feelings. Finally, be sure to communicate openly and honestly. Be clear about your intentions and don't be afraid to express your feelings. This will help to build trust and will show your ex that you're serious about getting back together. By following these powerful communication strategies, you can get your ex back even if they're mad. It will take time and patience, but if you're willing to put in the effort, you can get your ex back and start a new relationship.